If you want to flush out or descale your Tassimo Joy and you're not sure where the service disc is, if you turn the machine round and if you take out the water container at the back, you will see just here the service disc is located. And this is your service disc here. When you're putting it in, you're going to be putting it in with the barcode down. So it's going to be placed in just like that. Then when you're finished with it, don't forget to put it away to keep it nice and safe for next time. Thanks for watching.